सबकी अभिलाषा है, मन में रहो तुम सबकी, तुमसे यही आशा है। दर्शन हो माँ तेरे, सबकी अभिलाषा है, मन में रहो तुम सबके, तुमसे यही आशा है। क्या मेरा क्या उसका, ये अपना पराया क्या, सतज्योति जला करके रोशन करो जग सारा, रोशन करो जग सारा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का, सच राह दिखा करके उद्धार करो दुर्गा, उद्धार करो दुर्गा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का, सच राह दिखा करके उद्धार करो दुर्गा, उद्धार करो दुर्गा। संसार तुम्हारा है, कभी धूप कभी छाया है, एक दिन उसे जाना है, जो भी यहाँ आया है। संसार तुम्हारा है, कभी धूप कभी छाया है, एक दिन उसे जाना है, जो भी यहाँ आया है। क्या रंग है जीवन का, क्या रंग है मानव का, तुम ज्ञान भरा करके उपकार करो दुर्गा, उपकार करो दुर्गा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का, सच राह
सरस्वती शक्ति माता की रामप्रसाद जी मेरे पानी ले आओ। सभी लोग हाथ जोड़कर सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम जय त्वं देवी चामुंडे जय भूतारिणी आरिणी जय सर्वगाते देवी कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते। कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते। You are the night or the one who brings that night of darkness. That is when you are about to destroy and to eradicate that which is impious. It is a dark day in the world. For there will be fear in the hearts of everyone. You know, it is said when you have cancer or if you're ill and the doctor says to you, you have to have an operation. Although you know that the operation is to save your life, you're afraid. You're afraid of the operation, but yet you want to save your life. So fear comes into your mind right away. But the operation is to save your life. So when she's about to eradicate the impieties of the world, there is fear, darkness, Kala Ratri is there. But then after there's confidence, when the doctor says to the patient, have no fear. We have all the best technology. We have the best doctors and we've tested everything. The chances are 75% good. You start feeling better. But yet there is a little fear. So tonight, when we contemplate the Divine Mother, we must be aware that there is always fear in our minds. We are afraid to walk the streets sometimes. We live in our own house, and when we get up at night and we are alone, it's dark, we are afraid. So fear is a natural status. But I want to invite everybody who's here tonight. Everyone must come and take darshan from our Devi. She's the second Devi. She represents the 3-year-old Devi. As such, you come, you offer petals of flowers to her feet, or dakshana, whatever you have, all prasadis have already been offered. So everyone have an opportunity to come and do this now while we'll do bhajan kirtanam, and then we'll continue. Everyone, sabhi log, आइए, थोड़ा से पुष्प चढ़ाकर देंगे. Those who did not come, please come now. If you did not come, please come now. भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
सिद्धि विनायक शिवनंदना
सिद्धि विनायक शिवनंदना
सिद्धि विनायक शिवनंदना
सिद्धि विनायक शिवनंदना
आनंददायक चितचंदना
आनंददायक चितचंदना
आनंददायक चितचंदना
आनंददायक चितचंदना
बुद्धिप्रदायक गजवदना
बुद्धिप्रदायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
मंगलदायक शुभ चरणा
सिद्धि विनायक शिवनंदना
सिद्धि विनायक शिवनंदना
सिद्धि विनायक शिवनंदना
सिद्धि विनायक शिवनंदना
आनंददायक चितचंदना
गजवदना
बुद्धि प्रदायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
भजो गणनायक गजवदना
मंगलदायक शुभदना
मंगलदायक शुभ चरना
मंगलदायक शुभदना मंगलदायक शुभचरना मंगलदायक शुभचरना
all representing innocence. Pratamam Shailaputriti. The first child is called Shailaputri. Dutiyam Brahmacharini. Tonight she is called Brahmacharini. Tomorrow night she will be called Chandraganteti. Every night she has a different name. Tonight she is representing one other form of the Divine Mother, Durga. We all see Durga Ma seated on a lion. And she has many hands. And she has many weapons and different things in her hands. And some of the natural questions our children ask, oh my, is she going to kill somebody? Look so many things she has. She looks so hideous at times. But you know, if you take your eyes away from the arms and the instrument and you look at the face of Durga Ma, you will see no anger. You will see no animosity. You will not see any ferocity. You will see calm, Shanti. That is what she projects from inside. But these arms are representing that which she is prepared to do in our name. You know, a mother is the most loving person. But when it comes to protect her child, she will become a monster if she has to. She will kill. She will do anything in the protection of that child. But yet, she's a wonderful mother. Ma Durga. She is that most graceful mother. But all the arms are there to destroy the impurities that exist in our lives. So she comes prepared with all of these things. Are these symbolisms? These are symbolisms that says, I will cut away your impurities. I will destroy this. I will tear away that. All to make you a better person and a better human being. So do not be taken aback by her presentation of all of these things, because that is looking like the commercial. You know, many times you see a commercial and it tells you so many things, but when you get the real product, it's a totally different thing, right? But rarely in a commercial is the product better than a commercial. Usually the commercial is so good, the product you're disappointed with. But in the case of Durga Ma, you might be disappointed with the commercial, but boy, you will be happy with the product. And the product is a Divine Mother in pure form. So tonight, as we sing praises to this Divine Mother, and we appeal to her for her graciousness to bless us, we ask for her blessings in so many ways. How many of you were here today, this morning, for our morning program? Anybody? Anyone this morning? Other than me? I was here. Anyone else? Do you remember what the discussion was with what's our discussion on the Divine Mother? Anyone? No? Anybody? We chanted from the Devi Mahatyam, and we chanted 4 qualities that we want the Mother to bless us with. Anybody remember what those qualities were?
Shanti, Kshama,
Nice guess, but not the right thing. Anybody else? I can't ask anybody who wasn't here to tell me, but we appeal to the Divine Mother to bless us with energy, Shakti, yes. No. We appeal for Trishna, thirst. So, we appeal for thirst. We appeal for forgiveness, Chama. We appeal for reflection. We appeal for reflection. And reflection, Shakti, thirst and forgiveness. Reflection. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu. We appeal to you and we ask you to grant unto us that ability for reflection. Chaya Rupena Samsita. Namastasye, Namastasye, Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsita. Namastasye, 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Trishna Rupena Samsita. Namastasye, 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Kshanti Rupena Samstita. Namastasye, 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 Namo Namah. First, bless me, O Mother, with the quality of reflection, that I must be able to look back and review my actions, my words, my life. And why should I have the ability to reflect? You know, after the year is finished, we do, those who are mindful of their expenses, does a review of how much money they spent on this. And then we say, oh my God, you mean I spent so much on clothing? I spent so much on food? And I only spent so much on this? And I'm trying to say, learn from the past. So then I will say, next year I will spend less on clothing, more on food. So by learning what I did in the past, I can correct what I want to do in the future. So the ability to reflect is necessary for us to progress. If I do not know what I did wrong, I cannot do anything to make it right. So I must look back and says, I've done this, I'm not happy with that. Now let me stop and think what I can do to make it better. So bless me, O Mother, that I must have the ability to reflect with discrimination, meaning I must not only give myself, oh no, I was good all the time. No. Whenever I'm wrong, I must say I was wrong. To myself, I must convict myself and say, no, I didn't like that, I did wrong, and I reflect. Then, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, this Shakti Rupena Samsita. Give me, O Mother, the strength to accept what I didn't do right. It takes a strong person to admit that they're wrong. It takes a very strong person to admit to errors. And I said, let me have the Shakti to admit to my errors, but also the strength to be self-motivated, to rise to the occasion to correct my errors. So, reflection and Shakti. Then the third, Trishna, means unending desire, a thirst. When I say thirsty, I don't mean when you're thirsty for water. I mean a thirst to accomplish, to do that which must be done, to do the right thing. I must have an unending desire. I must go to bed thinking tomorrow morning I will wake up and I will do that thing. I will do which must be done. I must never rest until I have done what must be done. That is the right thing. And then, when I've done all of that, when I've reflected and I've been self-motivated and I'm energized to do what I must do, then I must have Kshama. Forgive those who might have done something wrong to me. Because if I don't forgive those who might have done something wrong to me, then I have no true reflection. Because if I don't forgive, I'll never have that peace of mind. If I'm always thinking they did wrong to me, then my mind will never be at peace. I'm always disturbed by that. As such, my reflection is of no value. So reflection, Shakti, Trishna, or Kshama. In that order. That is the cycle of progressing in life. To look to what I did that I can do better. To have the energy to do it better. To go without any hesitation to do it. And then to forgive those who trespass against me as I continue in the process. Because there will always be somebody who will do something wrong. To us or for us. But we must learn to live and to forgive and forget. Here, in this Devi Mahatyam, there is over 76 requests that are made on behalf of the devotees. 76 different types of qualities that you must possess. During these next nights of Navarat, I will go over each one of them. And then we will see and understand what is the value of these qualities in our lives. What are the value of these qualities? And when we possess them, how can they make our lives better? Prem Tulsi Shakti Mata Ki Jai. All of us are like yogis. We are karma yogis. You know, when you say yogi, you think of someone who's wearing yellow clothes and is in the Himalayas. Nahin. Sabhi log karma yogi. We are all man, woman and child. All of us are karma yogis because we are in this grihastha ashram, we're in family life. And as karma yogis, we too have the power to rise to the highest relationship with God. Where the yogi in the forest, the sannyas or the brahmachari has only to think of how they can pray to God, you and I have to pray and think how we can live with humanity. That is why reflection, Shakti, Trishna, we want that, and Kshama. We need that. This sannyasi and the brahmachari doesn't have to think of, they are not involved with anybody. They have no problem with human relations. But we do. As such, we are all that yogi who's seeking the presence of the Lord. Kashi deki, Mathura deki, देखी तीरथ सारे, कहीं न मन का मीत मिला तो आया तेरे द्वार. You can take her and sit with her. Sit with her. Take her away from it until we're ready for Aarti. तेरे द्वार कराए जोगी, तेरे
द्वार कराए जोगी,
सभी तालियां.
द्वार कराए जोगी, ना मांगे सोना चांदी, मांगे दर्शन देवी.
द्वार कराए जोगी, तेरे द्वार कराए जोगी.
करके जतन आया, तन में लगन लाया, अखियों में दर्शन प्यार. कर जतन आया, मन में लगन लाया, अखियों में दर्शन प्यार. प्रीत की भीक्षा, प्रेम की शिक्षा मांग रहा ये दास, मांग रहा ये दास। ना मांगे सोना चांदी, मांगे दर्शन देवी
तेरे द्वार कराए जोगी, तेरे द्वार कराए जोगी।
ना मांगे सोना चांदी, मांगे दर्शन देवी तेरे
द्वार कराए जोगी, तेरे द्वार कराए जोगी।
ना मांगे सोना चांदी. I do not want the wealth and the riches of the world. Today, we are not here to pray for the wealth and riches of the world. Na mange sona chandi, mange darshan. We are only wanting your blessings. Now, so what do we get when we get the blessings of the Divine Mother? We said we don't want the wealth and all of these things. We just want your darshan. So what is that? What is the blessings of the Divine Mother? Anyone? When we have the blessings of the Divine Mother, we said we do not want na mange sona chandi, mange darshan devi. What is it that this darshan is? What is it we want? What is this darshan? What is this blessing? Prosperity, content mind, peace of mind. You want a piece of my mind or a piece of somebody else's mind?
Happiness,
Happiness,
bliss,
bliss, prosperity, contentment. What else? Peace of mind. Anything else? Not health? Good health? Very good. All of those things, a माँ का दर्शन है. Now, when the mother brings us into this world and delivers us, and then she gives us in the environment, says, you are my child, go forth and be. At that time, we're not thinking of wealth. We're just thinking of survival. We want mother's milk and we're happy. And then we progress. When we are at the age of farm 1 to 6 or 7, wealth and prosperity is not important to us. Well, maybe in this day and age, some children are already planning their million. But it's not. By the time we reach about 10, it doesn't matter. By the time we reach 11 and onwards, we start thinking about that $1 million, that I should have my first million. Why is it that it happens then and not earlier? Why is it that it happens then and not earlier? Yes, Natarajan.
influenced by the world.
Influenced by the world. Why do you think it happens then and not earlier? Yes. Give the lady a big hand. And Natarajan also, give him a big hand. Influenced by the world and the value of money. You understand the value of money. But before that, you know, I remember when I was growing up in the country I grew up in Guyana, we had the British coins at that time. And they had the large copper coins. We used to call it a jill. That was jill. And then you had a 10 cents. The 10 cents was shiny and the copper was brown. So when you're playing with your little brother or sister who's younger than you, you said, here, I'll give you the big one, you give me the small one. And the big one is only worth 2 cents and the small one is worth 10 cents. So here I'll give, and he's happy with the big one because he's only measuring things by size, not by value then, right? But as we grow older, value, well, let me see, that diamond, that little diamond, I'll take that. You take this big rock, right? Okay? So we start getting intelligent, but our intelligence is making us move towards greed. When we did not have that intelligence of the innocence, we were happy to take the jill and give up the 10 cents because money didn't have value. But once we place the materialist value in our lives, immediately our innocence goes away. Thus, when we say it is your darshan we want, all of the things we've said are all true. But we must not have that in our mind. Even that we must not have in our mind. What we must say, oh mother, let me have your presence in my life. Yehi darshan hai. I want your presence in my life. Now someone said, well, exactly how is that going to happen? I will hold her hands and she's walking with me all of my life. How do we determine and say, well, I have the presence of God or Ma in my life? How do we determine that? Anybody? Yes. And you believe in them? Anybody else? Yes. You trust them? Yes. Anybody else? Huh?
You live right,
When you live,
righteousness.
give this man a big hand. When you live righteously, give him a big hand. You know that you have the divinity with you when you're doing all that is divine. When you're doing that which is undivine, the divinity is not apparent to you. So, the divinity is yours when you are doing the divine things. If you're spending all of the time doing undivine things, then you have not aspired to that state of the divinity. So tonight, what we have talked about, we've talked that we must appeal to the Divine Mother to bless me with the ability to reflect upon my life. Give me the Shakti and the energy to be self-motivated. What's the third thing? I must have a thirst to go forward. And fourth? Chama. Give the gentleman a big hand. He's listening very well. I must have the ability to forgive. When I have this ongoing cycle, then life evolves into a much more beautiful state whereby the presence of the divine is with me. That is the darshan that I will have, that we all strive for yesterday, today, tomorrow, and all of these days. Then on the 10th day, we celebrate the victory that we have come to the realization that yes, I can be a better person. Not a wealthier person, not a more lighter person, not a more stronger person, but a wiser and more divine person. That is the victory. So, there is a goal at the end of this activity. It's not a materialistic goal, it's a spiritual goal. That I shall become a better devotee and a more divine person. Prem Sochi Shakti Mata Ki. So this song is a filmy song. Anybody knows which film is this song from? Anybody old enough to tell me that? You haven't sing it. I sing it just now all the time.
दुनिया से मुख मोरा तेरे लिए जग तोरा तोड़ दिया दरबार। दुनिया से मुख मोर तेरे लिए जग तोरा तोड़ दिया दरबार। मन मन जाना मैंने तुझे देवी माना मैंने, सुन ले मेरी पुकार, सुन ले मेरी पुकार। ना मांगे सोना चांदी मांगे दर्शन देवी तेरे।
द्वार कराए कजोगी तेरे, द्वार कराए कजोगी।
ना मांगे सोना चांदी मांगे दर्शन देवी तेरे।
द्वार कराए कजोगी तेरे,
द्वार कराए कजोगी।
Anybody knows the film? The internet and tell me tomorrow which one is right. Now, but I know all of us, how many of you have heard this song before somewhere in your life? Put your hands up.
My father used to sing it.
It is so popular. And you know, interestingly, this is a sad thing. You know where it will be sung most? Not in mandirs. It used to be sung in corner shops. Yes. When they are high on spirits, तेरे द्वारिकराय के जोगी, ना मांगे सोना चांदी, मांगे दर्शन देवी. Feel. That's where it was very popular. But it's lived on. Andrew's laughing, he knows what I'm talking about. But this song was from a film. But the meaning, I want everyone to leave here with truly understanding. Preeti ki bhiksha, prem ki siksha. Preet ki bhiksha. That I'm seeking the guidance. I want the charity of your affection. I want to know that you're giving me your affection without any expectation. In the world we live in, many of us give affection because we have expectation. I will be nice to you because I expect you to be nice to me. But here the poet is declaring, Mother, I want to be convinced that your affection to me has no attachment. You don't want anything from me, Mother. And then, Prem ki siksha, bless me or teach me. Siksha, teach me about true love of humanity. What a request. He says, I don't want any gold or diamond or jewelry or pearl or anything. I just want these things. Preet ki bhiksha or prem ki siksha. This is your servant, Mang Rahe Das. This is your servant, and this is all I ask of you. Now, when we can come to the state of our lives, that when we contemplate God, that all we ask for, it says, oh Lord, let me be convinced that nothing that is done for me because somebody wants something for me, that the world is good to me. You know, I'm tired of talking to people who said, you know, Pandit, I think they don't like me. I feel in my heart they don't want me. I said, you think and you feel, but you don't know. And because you think and you feel, whole night you're not sleeping. And the other person is sleeping very comfortable. The person you think that doesn't like you is sleeping very good. No problem at all. But poor you are suffering whole life. I think they don't like me. I feel they don't like me. I said, did they show you they don't like you? No, but I think so. Kya think hai? We have to stop thinking that the world doesn't like us. We have to stop feeling that others dislike us. We must feel that everybody is good like we are, because we don't hate anybody and we don't dislike anybody. We must feel that way. But you see, it's very difficult to feel that way when we don't feel that way. It's very difficult to think that everybody is good to us because we know we're not good to everybody. Many of us will sit amongst ourselves and we talk very nicely, but as soon as we get an opportunity, oh, how we will be critical of that person we were sitting talking about just now. And here is it. We want to have these blessings from the Divine Mother. Oma, bless me that I must learn Prem ki siksha. Teach me how to be loving. And I'm not talking about a lovey-dovey, kiss, hug, love. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about genuine human kindness, compassion that expresses truly a care for everyone's welfare. It's easy to care for our mother and our father, our brother and sister and our children and our spouse. That's natural. It's very difficult to extend that outside of the world. Extend that outside of this micro world into the macro world. Everyone cares for their own house and for their own car, but the next door neighbor's house is burning. Oh, it's not my house, it's their house. You know, there's a story about during the war, the Second World War, when the German Nazi army was going to different parts of Europe and calling out the Jewish people, sending them to the concentration camp in parts like Yugoslavia and Czechoslovakia, whereby when they started to select the Jewish people, the people of Yugoslavia and Czechoslovakia say, well, it's not us, it's them. And then what do you think happened eventually? When they ran out of slave labor, they start taking the Czechoslovakians and the Yugoslavians and send them to the camp too. It was easy to say, when it's their problem, it's not our problem. We don't have to do anything about it. I'm not saying we should try to go and correct the whole world and look after everybody else's problem. But I want to conclude our tonight brief pravachan with this simple line from bhajan. दूसरों को दुखरा दूर करने वाले तेरे दुख दूर करेंगे राम. Now, how many of you know that old bhajan? Put your hands up. We have a lot of old people here tonight. Right? दूसरों को दुखरा दूर करने वाले तेरे दुख दूर करेंगे राम. ये सब जग भलाई का काम तेरे दुख दूर करेंगे राम. तेरे दुख दूर करेंगे राम. He who spends their life or she who spends their life looking after the welfare of others, who will look after their welfare? Karenge Ram, God will. Now, anybody can tell me who was a singer?
Pradeep.
The singer, Pradeep Kumar. And of course, he made all of these songs that are so long lasting. I want to thank all of you for being here tonight. Kaun pehle baar aaye hai? Who amongst us is here for the first time in Ram Mandir? Any newcomers? One person over there, 2, 3. Anybody else? Sabit, give them a wonderful round of applause. We welcome you to Sri Ram Mandir tonight and remind you that this Yajna continues for during the period of Navrat, and we invite you to join us every night. Tomorrow night we'll have another Devi, and then all the nights. But on one night we're having 2 Devis. Is that the Ashtami Kab?
Saptami,
Friday, Saturday, which one?
Friday night.
Friday night, there will be 2 Devis. Now, someone will ask me, Panditji, how come Navrat is only 8 days? But Navrat is 8 days this year. We will discuss that during the week, if you want to know how is that possible. But bear this in mind. The Western world measures the day that starts from 12 in the night to till 12 the next day. Everybody understands that? How does the Hindu world measure a day? From what time?
sunrise. Sunrise to next sunrise.
Nobody knows? Hare Bab. It is from sunrise to sunset. Ideally from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. But it's usually sunrise. So the sun may rise some morning at 6. It may rise at 5. It may rise at 8 or 9. So the day is counted. And if you counted the days that since it started, we actually lose a day. Or we lose hours because sunrise and sunset is shorter. That is why. And that is why when you say someone is born in Canada and they are born, if a child is born this today, let's say the child is born this morning at 3 a.m. According to the Hindu calendar, that child is not born today. That child is born yesterday. But to the Western calendar, that child is born today. Because as far as the Hindu calendar goes on, till 6 a.m. is yesterday. The Western calendar, till 12 p.m. is yesterday. So this is why we have these confusing date situation. Not confusing, but these challenges. So, well, I know some people like it because it's Panditji's one less day I have to come to Mandir. Especially Kirtan Mandali. Oh, only one less day I have to come. So they'll have to sing doubly hard that night, okay? So we want to thank everybody for being here, and those of you who are here for the first time, please do join us as often as you can. This Mandir is open 7 days a week, 15 hours a day. And there's always activities, and there's always a priest in attendance. Tonight I want to take the time to Pandit Rampasaji, please come. Pandit Rampasaji is from Delhi, and he's been with Ram Mandir since I had black hair. And that's a long time ago. And he's come and he comes and he stays for 2.5 years sometimes and then goes back to his family. He has a family at home. Kitna bachu? He has one child, boy, right? How old? One son, 8 years old. And in that 8 years old time, he must have seen that child for about 12 months. He spent all of that time here. in Ram Mandir. So now he's planning to go back and visit his family. He's leaving on the 7th. Well, he's hoping to leave on the 17th, and then he will be spending at least 2 to 3 months in India and then returning to us. I want all of us to give him a wonderful round of applause, please. He's been truly dedicated to Ram Mandir, outstanding in his efforts, very, very committed, very organized, and very punctual. Punctuality and organized. Those are two qualities we all strive to be. And I am learning this from him. When Pandit Ram Prasad says, at this time, he'll be there this time. And if he says, you tell him to do something, you don't have to call him 2 times and say, he will even find out what more to be done and do it also. This kind of quality is truly unique. So we are blessed to have him in our mandir, and we pray that Mataji will return him back to us soon. But to replace him, to fill in the gap while he's here, we have 2 people. He's only one, but we have 2 of them. No, actually 3 of them. Natarajan, Utho. Natarajan ji, Pandit Govind ji, and Sunil. These 3 will be here. They will have to do all the work, the 3 of them, while Ram Prasad is away. Today we have agreed that leadership will be shared between Natarajan and Pandit Govind. He's the little fellow. So these are the 2 senior priests. After Ram Prasad goes, they'll be working together. Natarajan, he likes to play violin, so sometimes he's not here. Okay? He's not here all the time. But when he's here, these 2 Pandits will be here. And Sunilji is the youngest and very talented young man. He's learning from all of them. So let's give them all a big hand, please. So, now all of this I've told you, I didn't tell you that I do anything, do I? So, I will still be here, but I will continue to do nothing as usual. Right? So, I will just come, like on Sunday morning, I get up and I get dressed and I have only one thought, that I must look very good. And then I come to Mandir and I walk in and I bow to the Murtis and I bow to all of you and I sit here and I just talk. Then I get up, I eat something and I go home. I have the easiest job. But if anybody wants this job anytime, please come and talk to me. I'll be happy to give it to you. Anybody interested in this job? No takers? You look good. You talk a lot. You don't do anything. Why not? And people are praying pranam to you constantly. So we want to thank all of you. Our Pandits are doing a wonderful job. So together, Pandits and the executives, the hard-working team and everybody, this is what makes Ram Mandir. But I must mention some people that you don't hear about. You only see when we get upset with them. And that's the people who look after the sound system. These people, oh, but they're so good. Andrew, give him a big hand, please. Our new sound system for you. Take a bow. And the man who, since he was a young boy, he grew up doing this. Since before he finished university, Jaideep, please stand up. He's been looking after the sound system. Today now, he is now our technician for video and audio. He's just about doing everything technical. I want everyone to, when you go home tonight, if you get a chance, go on the internet. Can I say this? Go on the internet and do www.rammandir and you'll see yourself. Because we are going live right now. All over the world. And we now have an expanded baud rate. That is the bandwidth of the internet out of the mandir. It's increased by how much? 1,000%. So when you used to watch it and it would drop, now it's like movies. So we have done this so that we can stream live every day, 24 hours a day, all over the world. So tell your families and friends, anywhere in the world, even if they're in Kinshasa, Zimbabwe, or Kwekwe, or Timbuktu, they can get us. So anywhere in the world, they can get us, and you give them the Ram Mandir website, www.rammandir.ca, and they'll see you. So please do this, and let us know how you feel. Send feedback from the internet, telling us what you think about what you're seeing. We are hoping to start in the stream Tuesday night and Monday night, Shiv Puja, Hanuman Puja, and Sunday programs. Every night during Navrat we'll be streaming live. And we are looking for young people or people who are interested to help to look after this, because it requires someone to sit and to direct it, because they have to decide what shots to choose and so on to get into that. If you have an interest, please talk to Jaideep. He's looking for help. And by the way, we're also looking for a nice young girl for Jaideep. Okay? Okay. So if you all know of that too, also please let us know, right? And we can. This is serious. Not kidding, okay? And it doesn't have to be a Gujarati girl. She must be Hindu. Right, Jaideep? He agrees. Give Jaideep a big handshake. Acha? Aarti karenge. In a few minutes, we'll be standing for Aarti. Please do join us. I know tomorrow is Monday. Everyone has to go back to work. But if you can join us again, please do come again and bring your family, bring the young children. And tonight, as you stand for Aarti, let our seniors stand first and then others to follow them. Please. Devi Aarti. Somebody give me a... Oh, you all have a copy? Okay, you have it? Make sure you lead them. Oh, let me take this opportunity to thank our sponsors for tonight. Through the blessings of Ma, we have so many people who are sponsoring tonight. Dilip, Lata and Preeti Baswani. Wishing Dilip a happy birthday. Let's give them all a big hand, please. Dilip kaun hai? Dilip, utho. Stand up, please. And everybody join me in wishing him a happy birthday.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, क्यों जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, Dilip. Happy birthday to you, Dilip. Happy birthday to Dilip. Happy birthday to you. जन्मदिन बधाई, जन्मदिन बधाई, जन्मदिन बधाई, जन्मदिन बधाई, जन्मदिन बधाई, जय जय हो।
Janamdin Badai, Talia. We wish you the best of everything and all the things we prayed for tonight. Dilip ji, suno, suno. All the things we prayed to Ma, that darshan that we asked for, mange darshan, that you shall have the ability for Chama, to forgive. You must be blessed with Shakti, unending energy. You must beg with Trishna, the thirst to do, and that ability to reflect upon life. All we pray that you have all tonight, so that you will live long life and happy life. Give him a big hand, please. सभी लोग खड़े हो जाएं, आरती करेंगे. The seniors to come first, please.
ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मैया। उज्ज्वल से